Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, kule weekend esisuka kuyo kube kuyi-weekend enkulu ikakhulukazi kulaba abakholelwayo kulento ye-Good Friday nalaba abangamaKrestu ngoba nawahlukene kodwa laba abakholelwayo kulento ye-Good Friday bekuyi-weekend-ke la aba-commemorate khona ukufa kwenkosi uJesu. So ngaleso sizathu bekuyi-weekend enkulu la bekubhizi khona. NoFloyd-ke naye usukile-ke waye eMalawi wayokhonza no-Shepherd Bushiri ebandleni, kanti ngokwenza kanjalo usezigcoba ngetshe ngaphambili. Kuningi kokukhulunyiwe ngaye kwaze kwaphuma ngisho istatement ebesivela kumkhonto wesizwe party ebeyicacisa naye ukuthi cha iyaziqhelelanisa nohambo likaFloyd, uhambe on his own personal capacity ukuyokhonza laphaya.
Does have a responsibility. As a leader, you don't just have only leadership. When you assume leadership responsibilities, you have obligations, you have responsibilities that you do. And that's why speaking out, because we understand that they are followers. And at the time we issued a statement, Mkondo Wesizwe had not yet issued a statement. So we were worried that even the party's members might think this is the right thing to do. A fugitive is a fugitive. You can't want to distance, to associate yourself with somebody who has run away from the law.
Yeah. Does this, do you think, embolden Pastor Shepherd Bushiri?
I think so, because I watched what he said in the clip that he praised Floyd, which he posted on his social media. He argues that South Africa is pursuing black investors. He is not an investor. If he believes he's an investor, he must come to the South African courts and answer these charges that he has.
Yeah.
Because we do believe that there's a case for him to answer. Otherwise, NPA would not have gone to court. Now, he makes a comment that we believe or we praise white investors at the behest of black investors. That can be correct. You have a person who is not even a South African, who has the nerve and audacity to insult us as South Africans and our own systems as a country. And you have a South African leader sitting there, clapping hands. That can be accepted.
Does Floyd Shivambu then have to face some sort of recourse or any kind of disciplinary action or the like? Not because he's a member of cabinet, not because he's ultimately even a citizen that holds political office of the country ultimately, but only of a political party itself. Is there any kind of recourse that ultimately he faces off the back of this, or is this going to have to be handled by the MK party?
We will leave that to the political party that he belongs to. From a government system and legal framework, we can't charge him, we can't do anything. And that's why we are issuing a statement to say we have a responsibility as leaders to uphold the rule of law, but to promote justice within our country, to ensure that people from outside South Africa don't continue to undermine our country because they think that is a banana republic.
Njengoba umuzwa ku-Minister of Justice ekhuluma la, echaza ukuthi cha uFloyd ngokwaba akukho abangamtshaja ngakho ngoba konile, kodwa njengama-leaders ne-responsibility yokuvikela izwe lethu wabala-ke kukuningi kodwa-ke okonke usokushiyela kumkhonto wesizwe party. Ngithola i-article la yabhala IOL iyachaza ukuthi uBushiri weqa kanjani. I-article yabhalwa ngo-2021 sizoyifunda-ke leyo article, kodwa singakangeni ku-article izolo siripothe ngodaba luka-Deputy President uPaul Mashatile ukuthi imoto yakhe idutsholiwe. Iphambene-ke imbono yamningi ngoba be-ANC bakhulume kanje.
2020, and we come to accept it as well. That is 2027 because of the levels of divisions within our ranks. Who can, in his right mind, go out and want to kill a deputy president of the ANC for a 40% party? 40% party. Deputy president were not killed when we were having 70%. And we come to believe those things, that it's because of this. Because of the levels of division within our ranks. So, comrades, if we want to attract our supporters who decided not to go and vote for us, we must project to them a strong and united African National Congress. That's what we must project here.
uNational Commissioner wamaphoyisa SAPS uGeneral Fani Masimula useqinisekisile ukuthi ngempela idutshuliwe imoto kaDeputy President uPaul Mashatile. Njoba sebeqinisekisa ukuthi ke idutshuliwe ngempela. Asazi ke abe-ANC bathini ngoba phela bona bathe lento le ayikho njoba Dumuzolo babathi ubani ongafuna ukubulala uDeputy President for i-political party of 40%. Kodwa amaphoyisa aqinisekisile ukuthi ngempela bekune-shooting incident efaka i-convoy ka-Deputy President.
Hello, South Africa. I want to put these things clear of SG Floyd Shivambu. He never do anything wrong to his private life. He never do anything wrong to his private life. Anyone, he can go wherever he want to go in the holidays. You make noise about Comrade Floyd Shivambu. You never make noise about the DA when they go to Ukraine without permission of the country. You never make noise for this Afro Forum who went to America, talk nonsense about South African people. You never make noise. Who make Bushiri to go in Malawi in the during of COVID? The president of Malawi, he came here during the COVID, where there is no deal and business of Ramaphosa. After he left, the president, Bushiri was gone. Who make these things? To escape, to make a favor to Bushiri. It's Ramaphosa and the president of Malawi. You make noise and noise. If we don't know politics, it's better we keep quiet. You never do anything wrong for the party. The government of South Africa, they're the one who let Bushiri go to his country. Comrade Floyd is not the police to arrest people. He is not the police. Once you fail things, you want to blame other people. What about those people, lots of crowd in South Africa who's visiting Bushiri in his church from South Africa? Why don't talk about them? Mina vanhu mi lava nhloko ya Floyd Shivambu. Mi lava nhloko ya Floyd Shivambu. Let him enjoy his life. He's gonna come back for his duty in South Africa. It's a holiday now. Everyone making nywe. Even the minister. You're interfering. Hey, he won't go to Malawi for Bushiri because Bushiri is what? No, it's your duty to arrest Bushiri, not Comrade Floyd Shivambu. Mangsukela. You're afraid of him. He's going in a lot of churches, you never talk about it. Anyone's got this right. ANC, they went to fight with Israel. No one make nyonyonyonyo. But you are making too much noise. Mi rasa ngopfu. Mi balabula ngopfu. Talk too much. You are talking too much. Before you talk about someone, you must talk first of your own. Please, South Africa, please, comrades, stop talking something that you don't understand. If you hate the people, just say, we hate him, and without a reason. Thank you. Aye.
Nansi ke article eyabhalwa i-IOL ngo-2021. Ithi ke i-fugitive noma lo obalekayo uProphet Shepherd Bushiri kanye nomkakhe uMary banikezwe ama-passport anamagama okungewona wabo base bebafaka i-makeup eshintsha indlela ababukeka ngayo ngesikhathi besimakelwa bekhishwa out of South Africa behamba ngeplane noma ngejet kaPresident Lazarus Chakwera waseMalawi. Ithi ke IOL kunomthombo or ama-sources abatshele lokhu. Uma beqhubeka bethi ama-sources ambalwa, several futhi ambalwa yikho yodwa lapha ku-government security cluster ibazisile okubalwa kuwo ne-military intelligence namaphoyisa kanye nama-bureaucrats atshela iSunday Independent kule vikini lelo ukuthi uBushiri uhambile ngeplane kaChakwera last Friday ulandela i-operation ebiplenwe i-intelligence yaseMalawi ya executwa i-embassy yabo esePretoria. Iyaqhubeka IOL ithi bathi uBushiri kanye nomkakhe balandwe ekwekhaya labo eliseCenturion baya kwi-embassy ngemoto embassy yaseMalawi ebeyischedule ukuthi bazohamba ngeflight yango-6 lena kaChakwera. uChakwera yena uqeda i-meeting yakhe noPresident Cyril Ramaphosa base-ke beya-drive-wa-ke ukuya kwi-Air Force Base eWaterkloof as part of i-plan le ebihleliwe efaka phakathi ama-senior Malawian and South African politicians, ama-government officials, lapho okuney'nsolo zokuthi kunemali okushintshiswane ngayo. Bathi-ke lesu lenzekile, uBushiri ney'ngane zakhe bahambile babuyela back to eMalawi. Lihlelwe ey'nsukwini emavikini amathathu ayedlula andulela lolu suku ahamba ngalo. Emveni kokuba uProphet Bushiri wacomplaina kuChakwera through i-embassy ukuthi wamlaxaza kanti uyena owafanda i-campaign yakhe ngesikhathi ekhampanela ukuba upresident. Bathi-ke imithombo yabo rama-sources abatshelile ukuthi uBushiri oyi-spiritual leader se-Enlightened Christian Gathering Church ECGC ucele u-government ukuthi akangenelele emveni kwamaloya wakhe emtshelile ukuthi isigwebo sakhe singaba la ko-15 years minimum esejele ngoba i-NPA okuyi-National Prosecuting Authority bene-strong case against yena se-fraud kanye ne-money laundering. Okhulumela uPresident Ramaphosa uTron Seale waziphika lezi nkulumo ezazikhona ezithi uPresident uRamaphosa usebenzisane noPresident uChakwera ukusiza uBushiri ukuthi abalekele umthetho ngokuthi ba-arrange lokuthi avakashe uPresident Chakwera bese evumela ukuthi ama-ministers wakhe kanye nama-officials ba-cooperate abala eSouth Africa nabaseMalawi ukuze aphume uBushiri. Wakhuluma kanjena-ke uTron wathi abukho ubufakazi kulonto leyo futhi naye ngesikhathi ebuzwa wakhombisa ukuthi uyadumala waze wathi uyacela ukuthi bamprepare report ne-background yakho konke okwenzekile ngoba akayazi lento okukhulunywa ngayo. Ungivumeleni ngime la yinde le article yinde ngempela article yabhalwa e-IOL ngo-2021. So lento eshiwo uPapa Penny ukuthi upresident waseMalawi nopresident wala eSouth Africa uCyril Matamela Ramaphosa ibona abahlanganisa isu lokuthi uphuma kanjani uBushiri besebenzisana nama-politicians. Ibalekile le part besebenzisana nama-politicians namaphoyisa nabantu abathize allegedly ngoba phela kushiwo njalo la ibona labantu ekuthiwa basebenzisana nabo. Kodwa ke uma lokhu kuyiqiniso kwenzeka i-corruption, lento esikhala ngayo nje la eSouth Africa kunakho konke i-corruption. So singamblame uFloyd ngokuya enkonzweni, kodwa ke sibayekelana laba abenza i-corruption. Uma ngabe kukhona abantu esifuna ukubablame, sibayekelana laba abenza i-corruption. Waphuma kanjani vele uBushiri azagcina esezithola esesezweni lakubo? Waphuma kanjani? Hayi mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.